If you'd like to add a payment method to Canva, whether you've got a subscription already or you would like to sign up for a paid subscription, I'm going to show you how to add that payment method. So follow me. So this method is going to work if you have not got a payment method assigned to your Canva account. So you're going to go up to the top right hand side, okay, and you're going to click on your profile picture, and here you want to come down to settings, and from settings you're going to run to the left hand side and look for billing and plans. Here you can just go ahead and click on add payment method, and you can see here you will now add your card number, expiration date, security code, and the country of origin. If you do have a PayPal account and you're in a region where Canva allows you to connect your PayPal account, you can actually do so right from here as well. You will see this option on the screen. You can just go ahead now and click on save, and those details will be added to your account. So if you've already got a payment plan in place, you're going to go up to your icon, your profile picture, click on settings again, same process, go down to billings and plan on the left hand side, and this is what you'll see. You'll see a current payment method. Now, if you click on change, you can change your current payment method, but you'll have to cancel your subscription. So you'll go down over here, cancel the subscription, and then you can enter in a new payment method and purchase an additional payment subscription. If this was a helpful guide, please do drop us a like, show your support, share it with a friend. We'll see you next time. Peace.